Wicked Lasers FlashTorch. Have you ever wished you could harness the power of the sun and use it for your own purposes? Well, now you can, with the FlashTorch, the world's brightest and most powerful flashlight. This amazing device can produce a staggering 4,100 lumens of intense white light, enough to light up a dark night, start a fire, or even cook an egg. The FlashTorch is not just a flashlight, it's a mini sun in your hand. The FlashTorch is made from military-grade aluminum and has a heat-resistant lens and reflector. It has 3 power modes and a rechargeable battery that can last up to 80 minutes. It also has an automatic lockout mode to prevent accidental use. The FlashTorch is not a toy, it's a tool. It's the ultimate in handheld flashlights. Survival laces. What if your boot laces could do more than just keep your shoes on? What if they could save your life in an emergency? That's the idea behind the survival laces, the most versatile and reliable laces you'll ever own. The survival laces are made from patented Surviveware XT, a military-grade parachute cord that contains 3 extra survival strands, a waterproof fire tinder, a braided fishing line, and a Kevlar utility strand. These laces can help you start a fire, catch a fish, make a trap, repair your gear, and more. They also come with a mini ferro rod and a steel scraper that attach to the laces at the base, so you'll always have a way to make sparks. The survival laces are perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, or any outdoor adventure. They fit most boots and are easy to replace. Surviveware Outdoor Duct Tape. When you're out in the wild, you never know what challenges you might face. You need a reliable and versatile tool that can help you with anything from repairing your gear to making a fire. That's why you need the Surviveware Outdoor Duct Tape, the best duct tape for camping and survival. The Surviveware Outdoor Duct Tape is not your ordinary duct tape. It's waterproof, heavy-duty, and easy to tear. It's made from military-grade parachute cord that contains 3 extra survival strands, a fire tinder, a fishing line, and a utility strand. You can use it to fix your tent, tarp, or equipment, or to create cordage, bandages, slings, or even a drinking cup. It also comes with a mini ferro rod and a steel scraper that attach to the laces at the base, so you can always make sparks. Camillus Highlimb Branch Saw. The Camillus Highlimb Branch Saw is a unique and innovative device that lets you cut high branches from the ground. It consists of a 20-inch dual-direction chainsaw blade that can cut in both pulling motions and 2 weighted handles that help you throw the rope over the branch with precision. It also comes with 40 feet of cordage, 20 feet per side, that can withstand up to 300 pounds of tension. And to store and carry the saw, it includes a storage pouch with a belt loop. The Camillus Highlimb Branch Saw is made from high-quality materials and has a patent-pending design. It is durable, efficient, and versatile. You can use it for various purposes, such as setting up a tree stand, clearing shooting lanes, storm cleanup, or simply maintaining your property. Steambow AR6 Stinger II. If you are looking for a fast, light, and powerful crossbow that can handle any situation, look no further than the Steambow AR6 Stinger II. This is not your ordinary crossbow. It's a modular and customizable weapon that can fire 6 arrows in rapid succession from a magazine. It also has a built-in accessory compartment and Picatinny rails for attaching lasers, lights, sights, and more. The Steambow AR6 Stinger II is made from impact-resistant and UV-resistant polymer that makes it durable and reliable. It has an adjustable AR-15 style buttstock that makes it comfortable and easy to cock. It also has an integrated fiber optic front sight that allows quick and accurate aiming. You can choose from different limbs with different draw weights to suit your needs. And with the speed loaders, you can reload the magazine in seconds. Estream, a device that can charge your phone, camera, tablet, or even your laptop. That device is Estream, a portable hydroelectric generator for your adventures. Estream is a revolutionary product that harnesses the power of water to generate electricity. It works by spinning a turbine in the water, which converts the kinetic energy into electrical energy. You can use Estream in any water source, such as a river, stream, or waterfall. You can also use it as a lantern or a power bank. Estream is easy to use and carry. It weighs only 800 grams and fits in your backpack. It has a detachable 6,400 mAh battery that can charge up to 3 devices at once via USB ports. It also has an LED light that can change colors and brightness. It takes about 4.5 hours to fully charge the battery in a moderate water flow. Mjolnir Ti. The Mjolnir Ti is a collection of pendants that resemble the legendary hammer of Thor and the cunning deception of Loki. Each pendant is made from high-quality titanium alloy and has a hidden feature that can help you in various situations. For example, the Thor pendant has a fire striker that can ignite a flame, while the Loki pendant has a seatbelt cutter that can save your life. The pendants also have different color options, such as silver, black, and anodized. The Mjolnir Ti is not just a jewelry, it's a tool. It's lightweight, durable, and water-resistant. It's designed to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions and to empower you to overcome any challenge. The Mjolnir Ti is the ultimate Asgardian titanium jewelry for survival. Baja Shovel. The Baja Shovel is not your ordinary shovel. It's a 21-in-1 device that combines 31 functions in one compact and ergonomic design. It's made from 440C steel, aluminum alloy 6063, and HRC 5052, making it durable and sturdy. It has a folding shovel head that can be adjusted to different angles, a knife, a fire striker, a whistle, an icebreaker, a screwdriver, and more. It also comes with a case, a harness, a paracord, a handsaw, and a waterproof flashlight. The Baja Shovel is easy to use and carry. It weighs only 2.2 pounds and fits in your backpack. It has a patent-pending design that allows you to assemble and disassemble it quickly and easily. You can use it for various purposes, such as camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, gardening, or emergency preparedness. Pure 2 Go. The Pure 2 Go is not your ordinary water filter. It's a powerful and innovative device that can kill bacteria and viruses and eliminate cysts, on contact and on demand. It uses a patented Virobac trademark technology that destroys harmful microorganisms without the need for chemicals, batteries, or UV light. It exceeds the NSF/NC P231 and 53 standards for a water purifier. The Pure 2 Go is easy to use and carry. It weighs only 5.5 ounces and fits in your pocket. It has a dual chamber design that allows you to squeeze or suck water through the purifier. It also comes with a Go kit that includes a collapsible bottle, a faucet adapter, a gravity feed bag, and a carry case. The Pure 2 Go is the ultimate personal water purifier for any situation.